What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I really appreciate it, guys, man. Last week was the first time Kobe Bryant entered the NBA game, and also the anniversary since his first point scored in the NBA. So I decided today to show y'all my Kobe Bryant sneaker collection. Y'all already know how I feel about Kobe. I feel like he's the greatest, man. Hit the B-roll. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Marion joint right here. So I remember it was November 3rd, 1996, Kobe first got into his first NBA game. Let's start with the What the Kobe's. And believe it or not, this started the What the phase. I know I'm 100% sure on this. This was the first What the sneaker I've seen. I mean, you know, not comparing to the Dunks, of course, the What the Dunks, but I'm talking about basketball-wise, regular sneaker-wise. The What the Kobe started it all. After this, you got the What the Jordan 4s and what the, a lot of stuff happened after that. But this was first. And I remember this sneaker dropping, me winning on the Foot Action app. Foot Action's not even around no more. And me saying, dang, I do not want to pay $250 for this sneaker. But it was Kobe, and I brought it. In hindsight, I'm happy I brought it. This was the flyknit stitching. Not my favorite because of the colors they chose. They went with like some spring colors like lime green and bright orange. But still dope, man. Still dope. Still wearable, man. Mamba. Following that up is the Kobe Bruce Lee's. And we were happy that these restocked last year or a year and a half ago, along with some other Kobe's we'll talk about later in the video. But I wanted these so bad that I even brought the Kyrie Irving versions that he did with Mamba Mentality, Bruce Lee. I just didn't really like the fit. But shout out to Kyrie. He's going through a lot right now. But yeah, this sneaker was so iconic. Kyrie tried to do it over. It's Bruce Lee, it's Kobe Bryant. The commercials were super dope.
Black Mamba ain't nothing. I'm the boss.
Matter of fact, all Kobe Bryant commercials were super dope. You got Kanye in one of them. Really dope, man. But yeah, these the Bruce Lee joints. Still DS. I don't think I'm never going to wear a Kobe again. It's just hard, but let me know if you was able to cop these, man. Bruce Lee Kobe's. These right here is the Kobe Tinker Hatfield. And if you don't know who Tinker Hatfield is, he's the guy who made all your favorite Jordans. 2, 3, 4, 5. He's the guy, man. So if you look at this sneaker, it has a bread colorway similar to a Jordan because it's Tinker Hatfield. The back of the sneaker here, right here, is supposed to show like his Achilles. As you know, later in his career, Kobe had an Achilles injury. So the stitching of the Achilles is there. Got the Kobe logo at the top. Kobe Bryant logo on the inside, along with Tinker. So you got the Tinker and the Kobe Bryant logo in the tongue there. And the whole sneakers, again, is in that bread colorway with a little bit of gray. But you get that bread colorway here. These sneakers were slept on, but they didn't sit on shelves. The whole NBA wears this Kobe silhouette here. I think it's the 6th. I can't remember, but the whole NBA wears this, from DeRozan to your favorites. AD still wearing them. And if you look at the new LeBron, the 20s, I believe, very similar to the Kobe, guys. I'll put the picture up. You make the decision yourself. But the new Kobe's, the new LeBrons look just like the Kobe's. And everyone's favorite Christmas sneaker. Well, should be. This is my favorite Christmas sneaker. Even though I own the concepts, Dunk, ugly Christmas sweater joints, which has a better spin on Christmas, but the Grinch. Who will go with the Grinch around Christmas time? Only Kobe Bryant. And I remember standing in line for the Gamma 12s Christmas Day, and all the kids waiting for these Grinches. I said, y'all want these over the Gamma 12s? And look now, man, if it wasn't for the restock last year, a lot of people would have never got their hands on this sneaker. This is a sneaker grail to me and to a lot of people. The Grinch reptile print all around, the red to symbolize Christmas, the Kobe logo on the back in the red also, the all green Grinch look. Like, this is iconic in its own way, man. But speaking of Christmas also, Kobe got a lot of iconic Christmas sneakers, man. These here, super dope. I missed the time where the Nike athletes dropped Christmas sneakers. Braun, KD, and Kobe. That was the time, guys. So if you look, on the tongue here, you have a Christmas ornament. And I think it reads Merry Christmas. It says Mamba, greetings. Super dope. The back, the Achilles part I told you to represent the stitching on his Achilles is in that Christmas green. Christmas green Kobe autograph right there. Dope sneaker, man. Dope sneaker. Let me get the other one to see if the inside says something different. Same thing, guys. It says Mamba greetings in the inside. Dope sneaker, guys. And these right here are so classic and vintage that I don't even remember the name of it. I know it's a Kobe PE. I think it stands for Animal Instinct. I think that's what it was. But if you look close in the sneaker, you see like tiger prints and cat prints and cheetah prints all around the sneaker in that Laker colorway with the aqua blue shoelaces. Yeah, man. These were one of my favorites, man. I actually played a lot of basketball in these ones. This is not a Kobe, but this is the Nike SB Jordan 1 Lakers to Chicago. And I wear these very, very gingerly because I don't want the red seeping in. As you see, the red can seep in through the purple and the yellow. I want to keep it Laker colorway. I brought the Brotherhoods. I brought the Nike Dunk High Lakers. I just rep Kobe anytime I get, man. And y'all remember last year when Nike let us do our own junks, I had to give it to Kobe again. So my Nike Dunk by You is a nod to Kobe also, as I used the yellow suede nubuck material for the whole sneaker. Color blocked it with some purple leather swoosh. This screams Mamba mentality, man. Black bottom, purple shoelaces. I wish I just could have had time to put something Kobe Mamba mentality on it. But you remember when this dropped, this was the first time we got a chance to do this in a long time. Nike purple there, Laker purple. So I just had to hurry up and do it. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. Yes, sir. So that's just some of my Kobe Bryant sneaker collection. I do own the Adidas ones too, but they're beat up, man. So I'm gonna try to get them restored, but they over there with my phone posits and stuff. I'm just trying to get those restored. I do own the Jordan 9s too that was kind of called the Kobe's, the purple and white joints. But that's over there. I just wanted to show y'all some of my favorite Kobe's. Let me know in the comment section below, what's your favorite Kobe sneaker? Are you still copping? I will cop the Mamba GG joints as I see them going a little bit of reasonable price. I will get those soon, but like I said, I don't plan on wearing Kobe's anymore. So to get them as a trophy, I'm kind of just waiting. You know what I mean? I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. I got some heat coming up this week. New Nike SB Dunks. Some Braun Fruity Pebbles. It's been a long time since I showed y'all Braun anything. So I got that coming, and something we're gonna be quiet about because I don't want to jinx it. But we all know what's the sneaker talk of the town right now. So we'll see you. I'll see y'all next week. Well, later this week. Everybody get rich.
contract.